Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel DB Chetri. This is class 12 mathematics. We are learning determinant, how to use the property of determinant to solve the different types of sum. Before going to start today's sessions, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. If you want to see others video, please I button and go to the playlist, and for new updates video please click the bell icons. Now let me start today's session. We are learning many example. Okay, many example how to utilize the property of determinant to solve the questions in easy way, because we can't solve these questions directly without making zeros within the determinants, because if you want to solve directly, it's converted into complicated form, and that's algebra we can simplify. Okay, that's why by using the property we'll convert in this determinant to simple form. During conversion, if there is some common factor is left there, we'll take that common out of the determinants and to simplify easily. Okay, now let me write the left hand side. 1 plus a square minus b square, then 2ab minus 2b, then 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square 2a, then 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Our main aim to make 2 0, okay, along any rows or column if possible. Okay, let's try to find if there is a possible is there to make 2 zeros or not. At the same time, try to get the right hand side factors. Okay, while you want to make the 0, at the same time try to find the right hand factors by using the different types of property. And to solve this type of questions, don't solve the randomly. First see the questions and take your time trying to find some relations. Okay, which formula to use to which operations to use to solve this type of questions. Okay, don't solve it directly. First see the questions and try to find the operations formula. Okay, what kind of operation to do to get the right hand side. Okay, now look at here. Right hand side, a 1 plus a square plus b square is there. Okay, can we find 1 plus a square plus b square by using any operations here? Now look at you. 1 plus a square is there, but plus b square is not there. What is there? Minus b square is there. Then how to make it plus b square? Okay, look at here. If we add there, if we add 2b square, then plus 2b square minus 2 is b square, their answer is plus b square. Then we need plus 2b square to make it 1 plus a square plus b square. Then from where to get this plus 2b square? Let's see if they are possible. Then we'll bring plus 2b square here to make a1 plus a square plus b square. Okay, while solving the determinant questions, try to find the right hand side factors. Okay, and as well as try to make 2 0 within these determinants along any rows or column. Now if there is b square, 2 is there, we need 2b square. If there is b square, if we take this b square then add with r1 row 1, then it will be 1 plus a square plus b square, but there is only 2 b is there. Then how to make it b square? How can you make it b square? If you multiply this number by b, then it will come b square. Okay, their product will be b square. That means we are going to add this row 3 in row 1 multiplying with b. Similarly, in second row, what is there? Minus a square is there, but according to right hand side, what we need? Plus a square. Then how to make it plus a square? Now 2a is there, then multiply with minus a, minus plus 2a square, and take these two, add with the root 2, then minus a square plus 2a square, their answer is plus a square, then plus 1 plus a square plus b square equals to right hand side. That means now what operation we are going to use, because this is a different type formula for some type of questions, we have to know their process also, okay? And for that, to know their process, we need to practice 3-4 times each question to get the technique. Okay, now remember these questions, how to do the questions. We are multiply this R3 with B and take it, add with this R1, okay? Now that means R1 going to change R1 plus B R3. Why B R3? 2B is there and multiplying with B multiply B square, and we need 2B square to make 1 plus A square plus B square according to right hand side factors. Then and similarly R2 change to what we need here, 1 plus A square plus B square according to our required factor. We are going to make here plus A square. That's why we are multiplying this with minus A, minus plus 2A square plus 2A square and minus A square. Their answer is plus A square. That's why 1 plus A square plus B square. That means R2 change to minus A R3. Now we are using this operation to solve this type of questions. And if you are facing problem, please look at here. After going through this video, please try 2-3 times to get the techniques. Okay. Now there are many techniques there. You can solve this question by other method also, because this is one of the method. After solving 3-4 times, you will get the others clue to solve the same questions. Okay. Now what we are doing in R1 plus B R3. That means we are adding R3 with R1 multiplying with B. Now let's write R1 first. 1 plus A square minus B square multiplying with this one is B, means 2B square, plus 2B into B, 2B square. Now same thing here, A to A B. Then what is sign is there? Plus is there, but sign is minus there. Minus plus minus, and we are multiplying whole row R3 by B. That means 2A multiply B, 2AB. Then what is there? Minus 2B is there. Then minus, we are multiplying this by B. That means B 1 minus A square minus B square. Okay. Now similarly R2 what is there? R2 2AB, then minus plus minus A multiplied 2B 2AB, then 1 minus A square plus B square, and minus plus A multiplied 2A square. Then what is there? 2A minus A multiply this one. Okay, A multiply R3, that means A multiply 1 minus A square minus B square. Now there is no any operation in R3, just copy it. Copy the same. 2B minus 2A 1 minus A square minus B square. Okay, let's write the simplified one. Let's simplify this one. 1 plus A square, 1 plus A square minus B square plus 2B square means plus B square. then same minus same 0. Now let's simplify this one. What is there? Let's take the rough walk, because if you simplify this you have to write multiple times the same thing again and again. It takes time to save our times. Let's simplify the complicated one. Take the help of rough walk. Okay, what is there? Minus 2b, then take this minus b and multiply to whole term, minus b minus minus plus ba square minus minus plus b cube. Okay, take this minus b and multiply to whole term. Now these two are like term. Okay, these two are like term. Is this like term? I think I copy the questions. Let me see the books. Okay, I think I made some mistake there. Okay, I made the mistake here only. What formula is there? Plus. What I did here? Minus. I made the mistake here. Okay, I think you got the mistake. The plus is there, but I made the minus. I wrote there minus. Okay, please correct this one. Plus is there. Okay, now let's me do the rough work once again. Minus 2b, then take this b and multiply to whole term. Plus b multiply 1 is b minus a square b minus b cube. Now these two terms are like terms. What is their difference? What is the difference or sum? Minus b, then minus a square b, then minus b cube. Is anything is common here? Anything is common? What is common? Yes, we can take minus b, because b is everywhere and minus sign is also everywhere. We are going to take minus b. Then what is left from here? A. Minus minus plus, we are taking b as a common, a square. The minus minus plus, and we are taking b common from b cube. And what is left here? B square. Okay, what is their simplified one? After simplifying, what we will get there? Minus, then 1 plus minus b 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay, now R2, same minus same 0, same minus same 0, then 1 minus a square plus 2a square plus a square, then plus b square. Okay, then let's simplify this one once again. Let's simplify this one, because if it is complicated, don't try to simplify there. Take their rough work and simplify and write the final expression. Okay, otherwise it takes times to copy same thing again and again. Now what is there? 2a minus 2a, then minus a multiply to whole term. Take this minus a and multiply to whole term. Minus a minus minus plus a cube minus minus plus a b square. Okay, now these two are like terms. What is their difference? A plus a cube plus a b square. Anything is common from here? What is common from here? Yes, a. We can take a common from here. A, then 1 plus a square plus b square. Now write this final expression. Final expression is a 1 plus a square plus b square. Then R3 remains same. Just copy it. 2b minus 2a, then 1 minus a square minus b square. Now after simplifying, if there is a common, if there is same term is there, take that same factors or term as common out of this determinants. Okay, anything is common, look at here along row 1, 1 plus a square plus b square. 0, we can take anything common from 0. 0 will not disturb because 0 multiply any number is 0. That's why you can take any terms common from 0. And 1 plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square. That means we can take 1 plus a square plus b square from R1, and which is same is there in right hand side. While taking the common, that common factor must be there in the right hand side, otherwise it is very difficult to get the answers. Okay, and same thing we can take the common from R2 also. That means we are taking two factors, one factors from R1 and one factors from R2. That's why if you are taking from one row, then one factor there, and another row means another factor. Altogether we are taking e square. Okay, now whatever you are doing, please write it, mention it. Okay, taking 1 plus a square plus b square common from R1 and R2. That means one factor from R1 and one factor from R2. All together two terms we are taking common, and if there's a term is same, we can put them square. Okay, now 1 plus a square plus b square, then whole square. Okay, what is left from, we are taking this as common, that means 1 is left there. Then 0 is always 0. Then we are taking this as a common, what is left from here, minus b. Then from 0, then we are taking this as a common, 1. Then this is a common, what is left from here, a. Then R3 same only, 2b minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. If there is possible to make one more 0, otherwise we will do expanding. If not possible to make the two zeros along any rows and column continuous. Okay, 2 0 is there, but it's not continuous along any rows and column. If possible, try to make 0. If not possible, now determinants is already come into simple form, we can do expanding to solve it. Okay, if possible to make any one more 0 to along any rows or column, it's not possible. Is there any possibility to get by adding and subtracting any rows and column? Is possible. Take your time and check whether it is possible, then do that operation. If it is not possible, because determinants is already converted into simple form, it's already converted into simple form. If this determinant is simple form, if you are ready to expand, if you are ready to expand, you can expand it. If possible to make 0 along, two zeros along any row and column, then you can make 0. Otherwise, let's do the expanding. If there is no possible, by adding subtracting we can make 0. By adding subtracting we can make 0. Is there no possibility to make 0? Is any possibility? No. If there is no possibility and there is 2 zeros there, but not in one rows on the line, along any rows of line, but 0 is there, we can help you to expand easily. That means question is come to simple form. There is no possible to make zeros along any row and column. That means is the final step is to do expanding after taking the commons. Okay, because in right hand side 1 plus a square plus b square cube is there, we got a square. That means we will need one more factors to make it cube. Okay, we are going to do expanding along any row and column, because there is no continuous 0 in any rows or column. Did you saw any possibility to make 0? No. Then what to do? Final step is expanding after taking the common factor. It's only one common factor is left, means we can get easily. Excuse me. Now let's do expanding along R1. Okay, expanding along R1. Okay, now 1 plus a square plus b square whole square 1. Now for 1, first row first column, first row first column, what are left, that is called minor. And what are left from here, after cancelling this first row first column, what are left, 1a minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Then second element is 0, no need to do for 0 because 0 multiply any minors is 0. Then third element minus b. What is the sign of this b? How to know? This position is 1 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 means even, even means plus, but plus multiply this minus is minus. Then what are the minor of b? First row, third column. First row, third column. And what are left? That is called minor. What is left from here? 0 1 2b minus 2a. 0 1 2b minus 2a. Now simplify this one. 1 plus a square plus b square whole square. Then 1 multiply, to do the cross multiplication, you know how to simplify the minor. 1 minus a square minus b square. After multiplying this pair, to multiply another pair we have to use minus sign first. That formula minus and this minus, okay, formula minus and this minus is plus, minus minus plus, 2a into a is 2a square. Then 0 multiply anything is 0. Then minus b. Then what is there? 0 multiplied to a 0. Then formula minus this plus is there. Then minus 2b into 1 is 2b. 1 plus a square plus b square whole square. Then take this one and multiply to all. Is there any like terms? Yes. Then 1 plus a square minus a square plus 2a square means 1 plus a square minus b square minus minus plus 2b square. Now minus b square plus 2b square, their sum is plus b square. Okay. Then 1 plus a square plus b square whole square. 1 plus a square plus b square equals to, now final factor is 1 plus a square plus b square cube. Now we got the right hand side equals to right hand side. This way we have to solve this type of questions, and some questions we have to know their process also, and for that case you need to practice 3-4 times and try to solve all those questions also. Now if you have any doubt, if you have some more questions, please comment me. I'll do solve that questions. Afterwards we will start another chapters. Okay, if you send me the questions, I'll solve that questions in next video. Otherwise we will start another exercise or soft topic. Okay, because one more soft topic is there to find the value of xyz. That is very important. Every year 6 marks questions come to solve that type of 3 variable linear equations. Okay, I will mix in next video. Till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe, and